Hi, hello. In this video, we're gonna learn about trust and difference between intention and competence. So first, we're gonna learn about what is trust. So the definition of trust is trust or vishwas is the foundational value in all relationship. To be assured that each human being inherently wants oneself and others to be happy and prosperous is known as trust. Mutual trust is a shared belief that we can depend on each other to achieve a common purpose. Trust is the expectation of people that they can rely on our word. It is built through integrity and consistency of relationships. Trust is a foundational value in all relationships. It is absolutely important. Trust is created by our own behavior, our own value systems and responses. We have to explore it within ourselves. In essence, trust is built over time through consistent actions, communication, and the demonstration of shared values. When trust is established, it fosters cooperation, reduces conflicts, and creates a sense of security and well being. There is a basic example of trust. If a friend tells you something personal in confidence, they trust that you won't share it with others. By respecting their privacy and keeping their confidence, you reinforce their trust in you, showing that you value their vulnerability and can be relied upon. So we'll move going to here is the next slide. The key points of trust. Trust is a mental state in which we presume that the other person will honestly fulfill the promises they have made. People around us want us to work towards the happiness and prosperity of others. When we have the right understanding of intention of people around us, we feel threatened or afraid of people who could possibly deny us, or in other words, trust is established towards our fellow human beings, happiness and peace of mind. So now we'll discuss the difference between intention and competence. The meaning of intention is what one aspires for our natural acceptance, and the meaning of competence is the ability to fulfill the aspiration. In intention, every human being wants to do what is right. Only the competence may be lacking, which needs to be developed through proper understanding and practice. But what we are doing today is when we are judging ourselves, we are judging on the basis of our own intention. Whereas when we are judging the other, we are judging him on the basis of his competence. We trust our own intention while we are not ready to trust the other's intention. If it is the same for other as well, we'll find that while we look at our intention, we are sure of it. We are not sure of others' intention. We are actually seeing their competence and making a conclusion of their intention. Hence, mistrust is born and we deny the relationship. We seldom look at our competence and others' intention. It is very important to differentiate between intention and competence. If we have trust on intention, we have feeling of being related to each other and we start helping the other to improve his competence. If he does not have enough. So here is there a basic example of intention and competence. Wanting to do well but not being able to. In this example, wanting to is the intention and could not is the lack of competence. And second, achieving competence in riding a bike. This is achieved by gaining competencies in balance, coordination and physical stamina. By concluding this topic, we can say that intention is what a person aspires for, while competence is the ability to fulfill that aspiration. For full trust to develop, both intention and competence are required. You need to believe that someone not only has a desire to do good, but also the capability to follow through on that desire.